All right, in this video, we're going to see how you can connect different bank accounts to the platform. And so you can change the bank account used for payouts. Because once you connect Stripe for the first time, it's requested during the onboarding process to connect a bank account that will be used for payouts. But for example, you connect a test account that you want to use for the first test to see if everything works. And then you want to connect another bank account that you want to use to start your real SaaS business. So in order to do that, you just go to the profile section in the settings. You scroll down here and you see payout details. And this is the section where you can see the bank account that you previously connected. All right. And you can edit or remove it. But you can also connect multiple bank account. All right. You see this button here, add the bank account. In fact, I've previously added a second bank account in another currency. So you can connect different bank accounts in different currencies. Let's try to do the process again. Here I'm using, of course, Stripe test, and I want to connect another bank account in Swiss franc. All right. So basically, I connect this new bank account, and you see that the new bank account is connected. Now you see that we have this other button here, change default currency. The default currency is the currency that is used inside the platform, firstly on the plan section for the plans pricing. So when you create plans, you see that this currency here is your default currency. So you can create plans just in your default currency. And also the default currency is the currency used on the chart section. So in the chart section, we showcase you the revenues of, for example, the last month or the last 30 days. And so these revenues are shown in the default currency. And you can change the default currency. All right. So if we go back to the profile section and we go back here, you see we have this button, change default currency. And we can switch the currency from a euro to, for example, GBP or CHF. All right. So we cannot use, for example, USD as default currency because we do not have a bank account in USD. But for example, we can switch from euro to GBP. So we just click here and you see we can switch it. All right, let's submit. All right, so we changed the default currency of our account. Now, when we go to the plan section and we want to create a new plan, you see that the currency changed. So when we create this new paid plan, the payment link will showcase this new currency. And also the chart section will be in this new currency, right? You see that, of course, we have different numbers because we do not have euro anymore, but we have pounds. All right. So if you want to change the bank account used for payouts, you just go to the profile section and you add a new bank account, and you just change the default currency to, for example, GBP. So all the payouts will be sent to this new bank. And soon you will be also able to create paid plans in other currencies. So for now, you just can create paid plans in your default currency. Soon there will be here a drop down where you can just select in which currency you want to create this payment link. So it will not be mandatory to create plans just in your default currency. But that's all. This is basically how you can change the bank account to connect it to your platform and how you can change the default currency.